Here's the school trains in Montreal. Looks like I got a CP train here at Dorval early in the morning, around 9:30 a.m. Or is it on CN? We'll see. It's a CN train. June 16th, 2022 at around 9:45 a.m. Bit of a cloudy day. Looks like it might rain later on. So this is a westbound train headed up the Kingston sub. Yeah, I don't really often film trains in the morning. It's usually I'm pretty busy, but today I got a little bit of time heading downtown. I don't think I'll take the train though. I'll probably take the bus in. The next train is around 11:30. There's no way I'm waiting that long. There needs to be more day trains on this line, really. Of course, when the REM is operational, I guess I won't really have to care. But still, a line this busy should have more than just, more than just one service in the morning and service in the evening. CN 100. CN's more than 100 now. I never really liked that logo that much. Personally, I think CN needs to do a few more heritage units. Most notably, Central Vermont in the green and yellow. All these empty auto racks heading back towards Toronto. Let's see what old railroads you can see today, or if they're all modern. Potash cars. Is there gonna be potash blocked out cars here? Yeah, it looks like it. I like these potash cars. I like the streaks. Streaks of rust on the older cars. Looks like they tacked on a whole potash train to the end of this. No, not much. Just a few of them. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.